Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I have come up with another video on how to apply for graduate research assistantship to Canada. First, so you have to find the right program. That could be Masters in Agriculture or that could be PhD in Engineering. It all depends on your undergrad. It depends on your topic of interest and many other things. So what you want to do and what you want to achieve. All right, so I'll show you how I searched for the universities in Canada. As I did my undergrad in animal science, I wanted to do my master's in animal science related topics, so I looked for them in Google. Let's do a quick search. Let's go to this website. So you can see here there are some universities which offer agricultural course in Canada, and as I already have few friends in University of Manitoba, I specifically looked for this University of Manitoba. So this is the website of University of Manitoba. Let's look at the faculty and staff at the University of Manitoba. So if you click here, if you scroll down, you can see the list of faculty, college and schools here. So let's click here at faculties, college and schools. So there are few faculties here and I'm interested in this faculty here. So let's click plus and then let's go to the department, and I was interested in animal science department, so let's click here. As you can see here, there are multiple options, so I was targeting to find professors in the Department of Animal Science in the University of Manitoba. So let's click our people here, and you can see here there are few professors who offer courses in different areas. So for example, Professor Natsoti is a professor in swine nutrition and management. Similarly, there are few other professors which are giving courses in several areas such as beef production, sustainable food systems, meat science and food safety. So depending on your interest, you can look at their profile. So let's look at one of the profile here, and as you can see here, this is the research interest here. So depending on your research interest, you can email professor whose email is here, and then you can ask him if he has any positions available for master's student or PhD student. And if you want to know how to write a good email to a professor, then you can look at my other video, and I have given link below. So after you get approval from professor, then you will have to find the requirements, and that could be subject specific requirement and also English language requirement, and in Canada IELTS is enough, and then there could be other requirements. So after you confirm the requirements, then you have to know how to apply online. So to apply online, you have to go to the application portal system of university. For example, I'm showing you here the application portal system of University of Manitoba, and there you'll have to find the requirements. So this website here shows minimum requirements for master's program and other program as well. So if you go to standard documentation, required documentation page, then you will find the things which are required. For example, English language requirement, transcript requirement, and other supporting document and other requirements. Then you will have to find a place where you can apply now. Just look for the apply now button, and then if you click there, then you can find the program where you want to apply, the program which you want to apply. For example, let's choose animal science, and then if you click animal science, then you will be navigated through the other page where you can make actual application. So for example, if you want to apply for the PhD program of fall 2020, then click apply, and then after that you will have to fill in your details, as you can see here. And after you fill in the details, then you will be able to upload all the documents. So in a nutshell, you'll have to find a program, and then you'll have to find a university and a professor, as I already showed you how to do that earlier in my video. And then you'll have to email professor asking for the position, whether he or she has assistantship, research assistantship available or not. And then uh, you get an offer from professor if they have any position available in their department. And after you get approval, you will have to apply online to the university. And after that, you'll have to apply for a visa if needed, if you are an international student. If you are a domestic student, you might not have to apply for a visa, but if you are an international student, you will have to apply for a visa. And you'll have to check the website of Canada government on when exactly before you will have to apply for a visa. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you if you want to go for a graduate assistantship position. And please feel free to comment below, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.